Hi, I'm Sasha from Marent Crafts, and today we are going to be looking at Bosal's pre-cut Santa sock. To go alongside this, we also have the Santa sock pattern from Poorhouse Quilts as well. Included in the pattern are 4 different designs that you can do to enhance your stocking making. So you're going to get 2 pre-cut pieces of 100% polyester light fusible batting. Now this means that it's fusible on one side and it has a light fusing to it, which means there is a light liberal spray of glue all the way over one side. So this means that when you actually heat and the glue melts and it fuses to your fabric, it's not going to be rigid. It is going to stay really nice and soft and have that really nice baggy effect to your stocking. So I'm just going to show you really quickly about fusing this. Now you will feel on the wadding that one side is almost a little bit bobbly, it's a little bit rough, and you will feel on there that that's where the fusing is. And you are going to have a medium heat iron. You are going to place your fabric on top of the rough side, and then you are going to press. And you are not going to do an ironing motion, you are going to do a press and hold motion. And it is really important that we're not using spray here as well. We don't want to be putting any sprays of water or steam because we don't want this to unfuse and not stick correctly. So we're doing a press and hold technique, and this in turn gradually melts the glue and fuses your fabric. Once you have fused your fabric to one side of the stocking, you will then carry on and fuse your fabric to the other side of the stocking. By following the directions in the pattern, you'll be able to make a separate lining, and it will go through beginning to end on how you do this. But how about adding some ribbons or some various trims to this stocking? Here at Marent, we have lots and lots of different ribbons, trims, weaves. We have all different sorts of fibres that can embellish your Christmas stocking. So thank you for joining us today, and we will see you again soon.